Hey y'all, it's Butter. Today we are at South Philly Experience and my girl is about to order a Philly chicken and some fried raviolis. So let's see what this thing hitting for. Not gonna lie, this not even my food and it's smelling good already. Whew. First bite, let's see what it's hitting for. My girl said a 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Need a little bit more cheese, need a little bit more cheese. Chat, tell me that thing don't look good. Okay, let's try the raviolis. Alright y'all, so we have the fried ravioli. I don't know, ricotta cheese, mom.
Marinara.
Yeah, what's the other one called?
It's vodka marinara. It's got